Good day everyone, my name is Boy, and today we're going to go back over the character selection. Right now what I have is this basic code just to get this character moving. This white box is going to be changing into red, blue or green depending on which one we select. So right now we just got to move in. And this room is going to be where we select our character. So we're going to need yes, this is a parent, and this parent is saying if the mouse is just a bit over, it would change to a darker red. Now then, we're going to need mouse left press. If we left click it, then global. We need a global event because we're trying to grab something that's not in the same room. We're going to use a normal variable. So we'll have global R for red equals true. And for this, it's the same thing. Left press, global B. Oops. Global B equals true. And for this, global G equals true. What we should also do is tell it to make everything else false. Perhaps what we selected. Yeah, just to be sure, because there might be some other people. So we'll have the others as well. B equals false. C and B G. Oops. So R and G. There we go. Yeah, so now we pretty much told it when we're done. So we have to go to this, get rid of the draw self, because we're going to be changing this white to whatever one we select. Yeah, so if global dot self R equals true, we're going to need draw sprite char 1. That was like 0, x and y. All of these should be centered. Yeah, so let's just make sure this code works. Oops, I almost forgot. Yeah, so that, and then we'll say room, what it wants. There we go. Yeah, so as soon as we start the game, room 1 will start. Yep. So let's do that. Select red, and there I am red. Now, let's do this for the rest. Yeah, then go back to here, grab this. So B and G. 2, 3. Let's try this again. and on blue. Go ahead and say that we're locked. So let's lock our character. Make a new object. We'll have this one. This would pretty much be if we touch it, then the character would be unlocked. What I will do is go if key pressed, keyboard, we need letters. We'll say R. Where's R? There it is. Room. Go to room 1. Have this one thing. Go to room 1. There. Now let's go back to this one. We're going to need another global dot RL for red lock equals true. So it is locked. So in this draw event, if global dot RL equals true, then image underscore index equals 1. Yeah. Else image underscore index equals 0. There. Yeah, so let's check that out. So it should have a darker color than, oops, he's not. He forgot to tell him to draw himself, which I thought would have been obvious, but guess not. Self. Draws self. And over here, draw self. Let's start. So let's say or so if just delete this. I don't need it. Create dot BL equals true. BL equals true. That. In fact, let's make red equals false for now. Dot GL dang it. C, V. There we go. GL is true. There. Okay, so now we have to tell it that it cannot select it. Yeah. So if GL is global.gl equals false, then we can travel to room 0. Else, do nothing. C, V, BL. There we go. Okay. So that was when we delete one of these. Not this one though, I do need that. So we have this one be blue, say collision with the character, then global dot BL equals false. Collision with player, global dot GL equals false. And this one, yep, okay. So, and we have to put it back. I almost forgot. The most important thing to do is put them there. Oh, what I should also do is say instance underscore destroy. We want to destroy the damn thing. There we go. So this is when your character is locked. Press that, press R, and it's not here. I reckon because we've told this. Oh. Yeah, here it is. Draw self. It's one thing after another with Game Maker. You cannot get it. Cannot get it first try. But keep trying anyways. Okay, so I touch blue. Press R and I can't select blue. Why is that? Why can we not select blue? Alright, so what I'm going to do is go to our object, our reset object, whatever. This is present in every single room, so I'm just going to go hashtag macro. Let's go save file in all caps and oops, save .sav. There we go. Just gonna grab this. You see it turns red. So now if I type it anywhere, it's gonna be red. It's pretty simple. Now I just need var. I need var what? Yep. S file. S file equals file underscore text open right save save file. Yep. Comma file text right real and file text. Open, no, close. Yes, file. There we go. That's what we need to save the file. Save it, and now we just need to open it. So we are going to go ahead. We need well, we can write it in here. We just need the step event. So if file exists, no, we need that, damn it. Save file. File equals file equal text open read. Did I say real last time? I hope I didn't say real. Otherwise, be very stupid. Oh, it was real. Now I feel extra stupid. Me. Let's see. Where, there it is. Yes, read, save file. This is pretty much like a small. This one's like a save thing is like it's like a small save file. It's like it's pretty much stuff that just saves very small stuff. Like for example, which room you're in. It doesn't save complex stuff like whereabouts you are, or like what level you're up to. If you want stuff like that, I would recommend the JSON save file, which I'll send a link in the video on which someone could explain how the save file actually works. If you want to use something like that. So var bl equals file underscore text read real file. Oops, that's supposed to be S file, and so is this one, S file. File underscore text news S file capitals no. And finally global dot bl equals bl. And now where's my finger? I'm gonna flick of my. Let's get this. Pick red, touch blue. Blue's unlocked. Over there. If I touch green, it's still locked. Can't select it. Right, so blue. There. So now we're going to do the same for green. Grab this. There, the annoying part about this is that you have to do everything over and over again. So say G and Iron Truck was broken by men. Men. We don't know what we did. G. And just say G. J. 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 Jimmy Jam. Back up to here. G. 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 Bunch of G's. Blue. Ah. Blue seems to be unlocked. Oh yeah, that's right, because yeah, it's still saved. There we go. Now green's unlocked. And that's how you do that. Jesus, that's annoying. You can pretty much do that with the same thing with bosses. So when you kill them, this stuff happens, saying that that's becomes false. Make sure they do auto code and then save instance destroy for last if it is a boss or whatever. Because if you do it first, then that's what's gonna do. Is it's gonna destroy. This code will not exist. So make sure they always put this one last. That's pretty much about it.